equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. First, unplug your Dyson DC29 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find any resistance, gently wiggle the screwdriver to loosen the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open gently. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, you'll see the motor and its wiring. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean environment will help ensure your new motor operates efficiently. If you're unsure about the cleaning process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand your vacuum's needs better. Next, disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor. This may require some gentle pulling, so use your pliers if necessary. Make a note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this with the new motor. Now, remove the old motor by unscrewing any additional screws holding it in place. Once it's free, take your new motor and position it in the same spot as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring each wire is connected to the correct terminal. If you're feeling uncertain about this step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum if you prefer professional help. After the motor is securely in place and the wiring is connected, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and is properly aligned. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC29 back into the power source. Turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your appliance. This process may seem daunting, but with patience and the right tools, you can achieve great results. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.